Let's say you're building a page inside Elementor, copying wedges, containers, sections again and again, and suddenly you lose track of what you have copied first. I know how it feels like. Obviously, frustrating. Elementor copy-paste is good, but what if it could remember everything you copied? And that's what we bring for you today. A new yet very helpful plugin for developers. It's called Clipboard Manager for Elementor by Codium. This plugin turns your basic copy-paste into a full clipboard system with history, multi-section, search, favorites, and even export-import options. And the best part, you don't change your workflow at all. Just copy with Ctrl+C and everything gets saved automatically. In this video, I will show you how it works, its key features, what's unlocked in the Pro version, and whether it's actually worth using in real projects or not. Before we start, a quick note. This is a collaboration video. However, this review is based on real testing in our environment. Alright, let's get into it. Clipboard Manager for Elementor is a productivity plugin for Elementor that stores, organizes, and manages copies element inside the editor. It has just been released to upgrade your Elementor workflow. If you build websites with Elementors, this small plugin can seriously speed up your workflow. So, what exactly do you get with Clipboard Manager for Elementor? As a freemium plugin, Clipboard Manager for Elementor comes with both free and premium features. Let's start with the free version. First, you will get a multi-item clipboard stack. Every time you copied a widget, sections, or containers in Elementor, it's automatically saved into a history list instead of replacing the previous copy, so nothing gets lost. Next, it keeps full native clipboard compatibility. You can still use Ctrl+V or Command-V for Mac users as usual. But now you also get the ability to choose exactly which copied item you want to paste without changing your normal workflow. That's great. There is also a floating clipboard panel. It's degradable and resizable, and you can place it anywhere inside the Elementor editor, including below the structure panel for easier access. Another useful feature is multi-select paste support. You can select multiple items using Ctrl+click or Shift+click and paste them all at once using Ctrl+V or the paste button in the panel. The plugin also includes persistent storage using local storage. That means your clipboard items stay saved even after refreshing the page or reopening the editor. Finally, there are quick access options like a top bar button to open the panel and export-import functionality so you can check back or transfer your clipboard items between sites. Now, let's move on to the premium features. One of the biggest premium upgrades is favorites. You can star important items so they never get lost, even when clearing your clipboard, and quickly access items in a dedicated tab. Next, there is a search and filter functionality. This lets you instantly find any clipboard item by name or element type, which becomes very powerful when you have a large stack. Another premium feature is drag to reorder. You can manually rearrange your clipboard stack by dragging items into any orders that fits your workflow. That's not all. More enhancements are available in the Pro version, and the full feature list is available on the plugin page. I have added the necessary resources links into the description box. Now the limitations. While Clipboard Manager for Elementor delivers an excellent workflow enhancement for Elementor users, there is one consideration to keep in mind. Currently, the clipboard history is tied to the Elementor editing environment, so users working across multiple page builders or editors won't benefit from the same workflow enhancement. But for Elementor users, this focuses approach helps keep the plugin lightweight, streamlined, and dedicated to enhancing design time productivity. Now, it's time to view the plugin in action. I'm setting up and showing a few main modules in this part. So, how much does it cost? Clipboard Manager for Elementor offers two licensing models, monthly and lifetime. Each plan is available for single sites, 3 sites, and 25 sites. The unique part is that here in this plugin, you can purchase a monthly subscription too. The starter package begins at just $3.99 for a single site license. For a small additional cost, users can upgrade to a 3 sites license for $4.99 or a 25 site license for $8.99. The same licensing options are also available under the lifetime plans for a one-time purchase and long-term access. And before you go, here's something more for you. Use the coupon code ARCM20 at the checkout to get exclusive 20% discount. I would like to address that you can get the same discount on the renewal too. Isn't it great? So, if you're planning to get the plugin, I guess it's the perfect time to save some money. Make sure to claim the deals before it's gone. Clipboard Manager for Elementor is one of those small but powerful workflow upgrades that can completely change how you build pages inside Elementor. If you build Elementor websites regularly, Clipboard Manager for Elementor is the kind of tool that quietly improves your workflow every single day. It's simple and lightweight, and it removes many of the small frustrations that comes with repetitive page building. That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress plugin reviews, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.